Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to change the time zone in Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is yeah, just open your Google Meet website and of course your Calendar website guys. So as you can see here guys, actually I am using the GMT plus 08, that is Philippine time zone. So like you want to change it into Eastern time or whatever you want to guys. So what we're gonna do guys is we just have to at this top guys, top right I think. Okay, so this one guys, in this settings, or the settings icon guys, you can click that one guys, click that one. Okay, so you just have to go to the settings. Okay, so there's a lot of options here guys, or choices. You can actually look for time zone in the general settings guys. So under the language and region, we have here the time zone. Okay, you just have to click that one guys. So in here guys, the primary time zone that I'm using is the Philippine Standard Time. And you can actually click this one guys to see the drop down options here. So there's a bunch of options here guys that you might wanted to select. So you just have to click that one guys, and after choosing that guys, you'll be successfully change your time zone in Google Meet guys. So that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Meet. Thank you.